English for Academic Purposes. Step-by-step registration guide. The English for Academic Purposes program is designed for degree-seeking students whose native language is not English and who do not meet the criteria for exemption from assessment. You are here because you've taken the Lobe Test. Lobe stands for Levels of English Proficiency. The Lobe scores tell your placement in 3 EAP skill areas: reading, writing, and listening. Reading, writing, and listening are Broward College categories or types of language ability. There are multiple levels of each category. Each person is different, and your Lobe test scores may put you in a different category for each. Level EAP 0281C is the first level. It has 9 credits, or 9 hours in class, with all categories together: grammar, listening, and reading. Levels 0300 and levels 0400 are for medium to advanced students. For each of your test scores, grammar, listening, and reading, you will be assigned the correct level class for you. You will register for and complete each class for that level. If you receive an A, B, or C, you will progress to the next level at the end of each semester. After level 0400, students may be required to take a common placement test. These tests are given at Broward College Testing Center or via an approved remote virtual online proctoring method. EAP students, otherwise known as English for Academic Purposes students, aka you, are also eligible to take the math subtest of a common placement test during or after EAP 0420C. Each student's goal is to reach college level English composition, otherwise known as ENC 1101, and to have English skills that support their success with regular college level courses after that. Scheduling classes using MyBC. Now you're going to follow and do what I do. Does everyone know what I mean when I say log in to your one login? If you look here at the slide I'm using, you will see a red arrow. The arrow is pointing to the MyBC picture. We call this type of picture a tile. Go to the MyBC tile on the BC1 Access login page. Click on MyBC tile. First, when you see this screen, we're going to schedule an appointment with an academic advisor. That academic advisor will know your Lobe test scores, and this is the person who will guide you to register for the correct program of courses. See the red arrow? It's pointing to BC Navigate. Arriving at BC Navigate looks like this. See the red arrow? Click on Appointments. Appointments is listed on the top left-hand side of the words. Then click on Schedule an Appointment. Then see this New Appointment slide. See the red arrow? Click on Academic Advising. Move down to the next tile, Service. See the red arrow? Select your service type. If this is the first time you're meeting with an advisor, choose First Advising Appointment. Move down. See the second red arrow? Click on Find Available Time. You can choose between online virtual/Zoom appointments or in-person/on-campus appointments. You will then see the advisor's calendar. It shows the advisor's schedule for each week. See the red arrow? You can then select the day and time that you prefer for your appointment. When you have successfully made your appointment, you will see the details of your choice on a screen that looks like this one. Check all of the information. Is it correct? You may enter a comment in the "Would you like to share anything" box to let your advisor know of any information about you that you want him or her to know before your meeting. Make sure that your cell phone number is listed correctly. If you do not have a cell phone, give a number where you may be reached or receive messages. If you like, you may receive an appointment reminder by text. There will also be confirmation emails sent to your Broward College email. See the red arrow? Now click Schedule Appointment, and you're ready to have your appointment with your Broward College advisor. If you said that you desire an online virtual/Zoom appointment, see the red arrow, the Zoom link will be in the confirmation email within your Broward College email. To succeed in Broward College, you will need a plan. We call your plan an ED plan. To look at your ED plan, click on the button that says Planner within the red box. If your advisor has sent a message, this box will appear. Click on the button that says View Plan within the red box. After you read carefully, and if you agree and understand to what you've read, click on Accept All Suggestions in green within the red box in the upper right-hand corner. What you're seeing is called My Planner. This is your academic planner. The red box is where you will see the classes your advisor has organized for you. These will be your classes for the next semester. These are the classes you want to write down or take a picture of with your phone. This is recommended, writing or taking a picture of it, so that you have this ready. This information you must keep with you. It is important and you will be using it often. Under the words Broward College, you will see a blue menu bar. Put your mouse over the word registration. A list will appear. We call this kind of list a drop-down menu. So a drop-down will appear. See the red arrow? Click Add/Drop to begin adding classes. Select the season you want to go to class during, the first red arrow there. We call that season registration term. For example, summer 2022. Now click the second red arrow that says select term. A term is the same as a semester, is the same as a season. These are synonymous. On the next page, there should be a gray button near the course ID slot that says Import EdPlan. Once you click this, the appropriate course IDs should fill the course ID slots. Now click Search Now to review available courses, meeting times, dates, and etc. As you can see, it shows information that you need to pay attention to when scheduling your classes. Here you can see reference numbers for each class, which is specific for each particular class. You will also see course IDs, which include the general name of the course. You will see campus, where the course will be held. You will also see the building and room number, the session the class is in, which is the start and end date of the class. That's very important to know. You will also see the days, times, how many seats are available in the class, and the professor's name. When choosing a class, it is important that you pay attention to the campus the class is at, as well as the days and times, and if they will fit your schedule. The session is also important because some sessions are shorter than others, and the shorter sessions go at a faster pace. If you have gone shopping online, you will be comfortable during this part of the process. As you type in the courses you desire to take, the cost is added to your cart. The newly added courses will show a red A, see the red arrow, next to the reference number of the course. The reference number is like an address. It is specific to that one only class, right? Keep that reference number information with you. Check over all of your information to be sure you have chosen the correct course name, which would be like an ABC0000, and or a reference number, which is usually a 6-digit number. After you confirm that you have the correct classes you want, you can click Complete Transaction, and any class with the red A next to it will be attempted to add. Later, if you want to drop a class, meaning you must change your plan or you do not want to attend the class, when you remove a course, the box here will show a red letter D next to the class reference number. And now you can click Complete Transaction, and any of the classes with the red letter D next to them will be attempted to drop. You may see registration errors. If you do, it is wise to check all of your information and to do the process once more carefully. If no registration error occurs, see the red arrow, click View/Print Schedule/Fees. You will then be asked to review your final schedule, and it will say when the payment must be paid. If you need more support, you can always visit us in Building 19 at the Answer Center. Or you can always sign in to our online QList virtual line, and this will allow you to access from a list of available advisors. The QList advisors are always ready to help you. Leave your phone number through the QList website, and a QList advisor will give you a call. Thank you for your attention. We wish you your very best on your academic journey.